students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. And today, in this video, we are starting revision. Let's start now.
Start revision now. Count and circle the correct number. Here you have to count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5. So 5 birds, you have to circle the number 5. Here you have to count these butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you have to circle 8. 6, 7, 8. So circle 8. You have to count and circle the number. In second question, count the balls and write the number name in the box. So here you have to count the balls. Suppose here 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. So you have to write the spelling of 3. T H R E 3. Here count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you have to write the spelling of 8. E I G H T. 8. You have to write number names. Match the number with their number names. You have to match number with their number names. Suppose 1. Here THREE 3. No. Spelling of 1 is FIVE. No. NINE 9. SEVEN 7. ONE 1. Yes. The spelling of 1 is ONE 1. So you have to match number with their number names. Here FIVE 5 is THREE 3. No. FIVE 5. So you have to match number with their number names. Count the objects and write the number in the box. Here you have to count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in box you have to write 4. Here you have to count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 pencils. So you will write 9. You have to count the objects and write the number. 1, 2, 3. 3 footballs. So you will write 3. Order of numbers forward counting 1 to 9. Fill in the numbers from 1 to 9 in the blank circle. Starting from 1, 2, 3. This way you have to complete the circle with the number line from 1 to 9. And here you have to fill the blanks. What comes between 2 and 4? 2, 3. What comes between 4 and 6? You will write the number here. Write the number that comes before the given number. 8. What comes before 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what comes before 8? 7. What comes before 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what comes before 9? So 8 comes before 9. So you will write 8 here. What comes before number 5? You will write 4 here. And after means what comes? Number after means 1, 2. The next number 6. What comes just after 6? 7. So you will write 7. Which number comes just after 3? 4. So you will write 4. Here you have to write number that comes just after these given number. Now here write the number that comes between the given number. Which number comes between 1 and 3? 1, 2, 3. So you will write 2 here. here. Which number comes just after? Which number comes between 5 and 7? 5, 6, 7. You will do revision of this work at your home.